All right, so I'm walking into Paul's shop right now, and I've got this video, but I want to introduce you to Paul. Again, I'm Neil Johnson. This is my major kitchen remodel, part 2. Now I'll introduce you to Paul. And rolling.
You're rolling?
I'm
Nice.
rolling. Yeah, here I am with Paul Mueller. And I kept referencing him during these videos in Paul Mueller's shop. That's where I got to, well, raid your shop. And
Yeah, there was a few pieces of tools used there. Yeah, there was a few.
But this next video you're going to see, we're rolling it through that 37-inch wide sander. I'm so grateful for that, Paul.
That thing is a lifesaver.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
But if you don't have one of those, you're going to see that in this one. But if you don't have one of those, I've done plenty of projects where things, you know, the wood isn't quite as even, quite as perfect, and that's okay. You can make a countertop with a belt sander. I mean, it just won't go quite as quickly. But this thing is, well, just watch the video. This thing is awesome. There they are. We got Nathan, Paul, Pastor Lloyd, and there's Kevin hanging out with us. And we are on day 5 getting these countertops ready. They're running it through the 37-inch wide sander. Moving along. We've got the outfeeds. This is so heavy. We got 2 outfeed rollers. Well, an infeed and an outfeed, but they're there to catch it. But then we're there to obviously catch it as well, move it, move the pieces. But sometimes the rollers are too high, too low, and we have to adjust those. So it's a long process. Well, so here we are, still at it, 2 hours. Some have resorted to stools, and wood's coming along. See? But there's a lot of imperfections on it. So there's a lot to take off. And, you know, with that being said, we just keep running it through, and it's just hours and hours of this. And then we'll leave some, there'll be, on some of these boards, there'll be spots where, I don't know if I can show you here, like this. So the board is all perfect except for that, so I'm just not even going to worry about that, and I'll just palm sand that out.